Hi, Kelly Dakota here. I have a story to share with you. So, I had read this article about how solar flares were affecting everyone's mood, causing anxiety, sleeplessness, depression, just wanting to be alone, like all those just yucky, bad feelings. And I was like, oh, because I have been feeling all these things and I'm really just like a happy, non-stressed type of person. And the end of this month, man, I've just been really down. Read that article, it made so much sense, and it made me just stop everything and say, I am locking myself in the bathroom tonight. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm gonna get in the tub. I'm gonna use my foot products and like scrub my feet, do a foot mask. I never take time to do a foot mask. Then I thought, you know what? I've been really short with my husband because I've been feeling bad, right? I've been wanting to just kind of be by myself. So I went downstairs, he was watching TV, and I said, hey, I'm about to like posh it up in the bathroom. Would you like to join me? We could do a little foot scrub and give you a little massage. He doesn't like foot scrubs or massage. Earlier in the day, he made a joke about me massaging his feet, and I knew it was a joke because he doesn't like that. But that's what made me think to ask if he wanted to do this with me because he made that joke. And can you believe it? He said yes. I was like, what? I'm sitting on the edge of my tub right now, the scene of the crime. I'm setting the scene. Whoops. So he's sitting here, I'm sitting over there on the edge of the tub. He's got his foot up on my leg, and I get out my Grit With It by Perfectly Posh, my pumice foot scrub. It's got pumice and quartz, and it is just so super duper scrubby. We've got body scrubs, we have snarky bars, we have body polish. This is a special foot scrub, and after using it last night for the very first time, I figured out why. This man has never done any sort of treatment to his feet ever. I don't think he's ever even put lotion on his feet. His feet were rough and scratchy and made like that scratchy noise like when he'd rub it across the sheets, you know, like scratchy, rough feet. I'm sorry if that grossed you out, but just saying it like it is. Never ever. We did the Grit With It, and he doesn't like his feet touched, right? So he's like over here going and letting me do it though. I'm like, I don't know why. I think he just wanted to spend time with me, and he knows this is what I'm into. Isn't that sweet? Aw. So the first foot was like torture for him. My husband is very funny. He's also very vulgar. I'm not going to tell you what he said. But he was naming other things he'd rather I do to him besides be scrubbing his feet, and it was some pretty nasty stuff. But by the end of that second foot, he was just relaxed. We were chatting. I'm in there rubbing and scrubbing. I had one of these little just like sandpapery scrubby things, and I'm really getting in there scrubbing away. We're joking like I'm gonna wear the sandpaper down in one use. Didn't. And he was enjoying it. So we rinsed our feet off. I did my feet too. Rinsed our feet off, and then I got the towels ready. You take 2 hand towels per person. You get them a little bit damp, and then you put them in the microwave and heat them up for a few minutes. Then I got the Toes Before Bros hot foot mask. Oh yeah, yes, that's what I said. What an indulgent treat that is. When I was thinking like I'm really gonna just pamper myself from head to toe last night, foot mask. I don't do it nearly enough, and it's such a treat. Such a treat. So this is how easy it is to do, okay? You get your towels ready, you go get comfy somewhere. We lay down in our bed and put on a movie. I put the foot mask on his feet. It's not thick, it's just like a lotion, and you just put it all over the feet and then wrap each foot in a towel and just kick back and relax. Then I got him settled. Then I did mine. We put a movie on, and once the towels got cold, about 15 minutes later, we just took the towels off. We threw them in the little bucket I heated them up in, and put on some lotion. I used Schwinky and Soft Foot Lotion by Perfectly Posh. It has sugar acids in it that eat away at dry skin, so it's an extra special foot cream. It's not just your average lotion. It's awesome stuff. And oh my goodness, I could not believe how smooth his feet were. I couldn't believe how smooth his feet were when I was putting on the mask just after doing the scrub. This scrub is legit. If you think, oh, I have a body scrub, I have a Snarky bar, I don't need a scrub, I've got one of these. Believe me, this man has never done a thing to his feet in his life. They were very, very rough. Now they are smooth as can be. He got up and walked around. I thought he was gonna slip and fall because he wasn't used to having these smooth feet. You know, he still just has a little bit of roughness around the edge of his heel. Over time, that's gonna go away too. I am blown away by how good this is. So I just had to share. Thanks for listening. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for future videos. Thanks, bye.